In today's video, I'm going to show you how to update the PHP version in Cpanel for hosting providers like Bluehost, Hostgator, and Godaddy. Updating your PHP version is important because it helps improve your website's speed, security, and compatibility with modern applications and plugins. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to your hosting provider's website. If you're using Hostgator, go to Hostgator. If you're with Bluehost or Godaddy, you can visit their official websites and sign in to your hosting account from there. Once the home page loads, look toward the top right corner of the screen and click the Sign In button. Enter your login credentials to access your hosting dashboard. After signing in, you'll be taken to your hosting account panel. This is where you manage your domains, websites, files, and hosting settings. From here, locate the website section or hosting section depending on your provider's layout. Now select the website you want to manage and look for the settings option. In some hosting dashboards, you may also see an advanced button that opens your cPanel area. Go ahead and open it. Inside cPanel, scroll down until you find an option called Select PHP Version, PHP Manager, or Multi-PHP Manager. The exact name may vary depending on your hosting provider, but the process is generally very similar across Bluehost, Hostgator, and Godaddy. Click on the PHP version option and you'll see the current version your website is using. You may notice something like PHP 8.1 or PHP 8.3 displayed on the screen. Next, open the drop-down menu or click the Change button to view the list of available PHP versions. Your hosting provider will usually provide several versions you can switch between. Now choose the PHP version you'd like to use. In most cases, it's recommended to use the latest stable version because it includes improved performance, better compatibility, and stronger security updates. After selecting the new version, click Apply, Save, or Update depending on your hosting panel. Your hosting provider will then begin updating the PHP version for your website. Once the update is complete, it's a good idea to refresh your website and clear your cache to make sure everything is working properly. If your site uses WordPress or plugins, double-check that everything is compatible with the new PHP version. And that's it. Your website should now be running on the updated PHP version with improved speed, functionality, and security. Thanks for watching and goodbye.